Okay, so what we got here is a Vauxhall Zafira 2017. It is now installed with a rear view monitor, which is a 2-in-1 dash cam and reversing camera system. So you can see there, and beautifully installed. So it goes over your original mirror. So it's a dash cam as well, so you can see the front camera there, and it also records for the back camera as well. So when you put it into reverse, you got the reverse image come up with the lines. When you take it out of reverse, it goes off. Now you can switch it over to the reverse camera, to the rear camera, sorry. So this will give you the rear image, so you don't have to use the mirror. But should you want to use the mirror, you can turn it off and you can use the mirror as normal.